Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Money School. So in today's video, I will backtest my strategy on AUD USD on the 5-minute time frame, and hopefully we will make some wins. So without wasting any more seconds, let's get started. First of all, the first thing I do, what is the market direction? And as I'm trading on the 5-minute time frame, I'm seeing that in the last 2 hours, because each candle represents 5 minutes, in the last 2 to 3 hours, I'm seeing that the market is heading towards a downward direction. And look at the volume of the sellers. Sellers are stronger than the buyers. And another sign, we actually broke this support. This support, which is strong and contains a lot of buyers, we broke it. Now I want the market to pull back to it, to come to it again, test it again. Then if I have a confirmation, if I have a sign, a red candle, a strong red candle, a fight between buyers and sellers, at this point, at this resistance area, I will sell. So let's run these candles slowly and see if my setup is happening. Okay, it's not a strong candle. This is a strong candle. So let's recapitulate. This was a strong support. We broke it. Now it is a strong resistance. This place belongs to the sellers now. And as soon as we touched this place, we didn't have any confirmations. Sellers didn't didn't show any sign that they are willing to push the market towards the downside. But after two 5-minute candles, I got the confirmation, a red candle, which is strong by the way, which is a sign for me that the market now is ready to go towards the downward direction. So let me check my sell now. Remember, the stop loss should be above any last week, and this is the last week, I should make it above it. And my take profit, where should I make my take profit? So a quick tip, just try to make your take profit on the previous lower low, here, make it here. But this will give you a low risk to reward ratio, but you can make it on a place that is strong and can reverse you. I'm drawing this place. Look at this. This is a strong resistance. Now after we broke it, it is a strong support. Now this place belongs to the buyers, and as I'm selling, maybe the market after touching this place, it will go against my direction, but I'm sure that the market will at the end of the day will touch this place. So let's make our take profit there, and let's run these candles and hope for the best. We actually won it. This is great. Actually, we won it like just 4 hours. So we are in a downtrend, right? I can even draw a trend line like this. Easy guys, linking these lower highs. And as you can see, we kind of breaking this trend line. This indicates to me that the market maybe is willing to reverse because it was moving down for a long period of time. And after hitting this place, look at this support that I have told you. Let me just make it here. Actually, this is a very strong support. So maybe now the market will reverse after touching this strong support. But I need a confirmation. I'm not sure whether this is a false breakout or no. I want to have a confirmation that the market is changing its direction. So I will draw a small resistance here. This is a small resistance of this lower high. We actually broke it. So if we pull back to it and we have a confirmation, then the market will definitely start going up and climbing the mountain as an uptrend does. So let's run these candles slowly and see if our predicted setup is happening. We actually have the pullback, but this is not a strong confirmation. Let's run it candles again. Okay, we are in this support now. That's actually cool. We have a green candle, similar size than the red candle. This is not a very strong confirmation, but still because the buyers already pushed to this place as this week shows us. So I will definitely check my buy. My stop loss, as I say, below any last week. This is the last week here. I would make it here, below it. And where should I make my take profit? Guys, look at this. This is the beginning of this downtrend here. And this is the end of this downtrend. Okay, we are at the beginning of this new uptrend. Our take profit should be in the beginning on the previous opposite downtrend here. This place contains a lot of sellers and might go against me. This is a risk. Normally I should make it here. This also contains a lot of sellers. Remember this support which we sold from. We said that this place belongs to the sellers and I'm buying. So this place contains a lot of sellers, but hopefully if I'm seeing that the market will reverse after hitting this place, I will set my trade on break even. And on this case, actually, I will make my take profit here because I'm sure that the market will hit that place because this is a strong resistance and it was the beginning of the previous opposite downtrend. So let's run these candles and see if our setup is happening. That's cool actually. Look at this, guys. Do you remember this resistance that we have talked about, that we were afraid that it might reverse me? We actually broke it actually, guys. We broke it, we pulled back to it, we even have a confirmation. So this is another sign. I can even trade another trade here. Let me make another trade. My stop loss should be, by the way, my entry would be here at the end of this bullish engulfing candle. My stop loss should be below any last week here, and my take profit should be in the same target here, because this place contains a lot of sellers. So hopefully this is a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Let's hope that these two trades will be in the winning side, and let's hope for the best. Now actually we were near, but we still didn't. Actually we just touched it. That's cool. So let's go back here. So we actually won this trade. Let me make now this area here. We won 3 trades. I just want you to understand, please, if you can just rewatch this video, because I'm trying my best to explain to you every step that I'm doing. Also, if you have any questions, just contact me in Telegram. I will leave my ID on the description. So let's continue. First of all, look at this. This is a strong resistance. And as this downtrend here changed its direction after hitting a strong support, maybe this strong uptrend will change its direction after hitting this strong resistance. So maybe the market now will start going down. Okay, maybe it will start going down. So what should I do? Let's run this candle slowly. Okay, look at this. This is a strong red candle, but I'm not very sure enough. Okay, let's go slowly. Look at this, guys. It was really perfect at the time. Look at this. I told you that maybe the market now will reverse after hitting this strong resistance. Actually, this is what I'm seeing now. We have a support here. We actually have a support. We broke it. We pulled back to it. This is not a strong confirmation, but this is a strong confirmation. So I will take my sell here. My stop loss should be above any last week. And where should I make my take profit? Actually, to be safe and steady, I will just make it on a place that contains a lot of buyers. I actually want to make it here. But look at this. I have a lot of levels here. So just to be safe, I will make it here. Linking this one, because I have a lot of levels here. This one. It is extremely risky. So I will just make it here and have a 1.64 risk to reward ratio. Let's hope for the best and see if we are in the winning side. As I told you guys, we actually won this trade. As I told you, we started going up after hitting this place. Just a quick tip, guys. You can make it here and just keep an eye on this level. If you can see that the market is reversing, trying to reverse. Look at this. This is a strong green candle, stronger than the previous red candle. At this support zone, just close the trade in profits or set your stop loss at a break even. Okay. Anyway, we won 4 trades. Okay, so actually the market now is ranging. There is no trend to follow. There is no specific direction to follow. So let's run these candles and see. That's cool, guys. Let's just be here. Look at this, guys. We actually, if we extend this zone, this is a strong resistance as we talked about, and we broke it. We pulled back to it. Now I need a confirmation. Let's run this candle slowly. That's not a very strong confirmation, but I'm sure that this is a confirmation. It is still valid. So I will head back to the 1 minute time frame, smaller time frame. I like to go to the smaller time frame to check what the market is doing in details. So this as I'm buying, I want to buy, and look at this. I can draw this downtrend here, and we broke it. This is the strongest confirmation, then followed by another confirmation, So this is a valid confirmation for me. I will head back to the 5 minute time frame and definitely take my buy position. My stop loss should be below any last week, this one, and my target should be on this place. It is just a 1.03 risk to reward ratio. Let's hope for the best and win it. So we actually won this trade. Cool. Now I actually can draw this resistance too, but as you can see, after the pullback, we didn't have any confirmation. So this is the power of the confirmation. Confirmation is a sign from the buyers or the sellers that they're willing to push the market towards your direction. So now I'm not sure whether to go with the buyers or the sellers. I'm not seeing any movement here. Let's run these candles and see if we can have something. Maybe now the market will start to go down. No, let's go slowly. So we are actually here. Actually it is a loss because it was fast. It's a loss, but I want to show you the trade that I was going to take. But it is a loss, guys. The first loss on this backtesting series. We have won like 5 trades, and it's a loss. This one is a loss. Why? Because normally this is a strong support, as we talked about. It is a very strong support, and we broke it. We can see that in this 5 to 6 hours, we can see that the market is heading towards downward direction. We pulled back to this broken support. Normally we had a strong confirmation. Look at this confirmation, beautiful confirmation. Normally I should sell here. My stop loss should be above any last week, and my take profit should be here. Let's run these candles. It was a loss, guys, no problem. We did everything correctly. No problem, because losses happen. Even with my powerful strategy, losses happen. But percentage profitability of this strategy is like more than 80%. This is for sure, because I have backtested it a lot of times, and you can check all my backtesting videos on my YouTube channel. It is full with tons of backtesting videos. So no problem. This is a loss. No problem. I accept it. First loss. I can also draw a downtrend here. A downtrend. So let's see. Because the market didn't go in my direction, this maybe tells me that the market now is willing to reverse, is willing to break this trend line. I'm not sure. So let's run this candle slowly and see what will happen. Okay, we are going strongly towards the upward direction. We are testing this trend line. Maybe we'll break it, maybe not. Let's see what candles will say. Okay, not strong confirmation. Okay. Actually, this is a very good sign. Look at this confirmation. Where did it happen? It happened at a strong support. Look at this strong support and this strong trend line. This trend line actually was resistance here, but as soon as we broke it, it is a support now. It is a support. It supports the market. It pushed the market towards the upward direction. So this is a golden zone for me, because it is the intersection of a strong support trend line and a strong horizontal line. And we have a strong confirmation, the best confirmation that I have ever seen since a lot of days actually in my tradings. I can take my trade here. My stop loss should be below any last week. This one. Actually, I can just make it. The last week is here actually, but because look at this volume, the market is really pushing, is really aggressive, it's really looking to go towards the upward direction. I'm not sure. I don't think the market will come to these lows again, so I will just make it here below this current candle last week. And my take profit should be obviously on this place, because this place contains a lot of sellers. This is a 2.06 risk reward ratio. Let's finish this video with 6 wins and 1 loss, because I always do 5 wins and 0 loss, because this time, because we had 1 loss, I added another trade. So let's see if this trade will go in my favor. Fast, guys. It was really fast. As I told you, it moved aggressively towards the upward direction. Thanks for watching. Just smash the like button. Contact me in Telegram if you have any question, and see you in the next video. Good luck.